While most AI agent demos show you simple document processing with basic Q&A, today I'm demonstrating something far more valuable to enterprises: cross-document intelligence that delivers actionable insights. The claims fraud agent you see here doesn't just read documents. It connects critical data points across multiple document types, from insurance claims to police reports, medical records, repair estimates, and payment data. Built with Sema4.ai Studio, it represents a powerful real-world AI agent that transforms how organizations detect sophisticated fraud patterns. I'm playing the role of a claims fraud analyst investigating an auto collision claim. Let me upload these 5 key documents. Unlike simple data retrieval agents, this specialized agent analyzes complex documents, extracting structured data and establishing verified connections between key data points in real time. Notice how the agent immediately identifies all document types, organizes them into a cohesive set, and extracts critical information across all sources. Most importantly, it automatically identifies relationships between documents, connecting medical evidence, accident details, and damage assessments across multiple document sources. With the documents verified, the agent now transforms these complex documents into structured, queryable data designed for fraud detection. This isn't just basic text extraction. The agent applies specialized schemas to each document type, preserving relationships between data points that enable cross-document analysis. In about 30 seconds, it processes all 5 documents with near-perfect extraction completeness. The real differentiator comes next. The agent creates specialized fraud analysis views targeting specific patterns like damage exaggeration, suspicious medical treatments, and financial discrepancies. These views transform investigations from hours of manual document comparison to immediate natural language queries that uncover inconsistencies across the entire claim set. Now let's dive deeper into the investigation by asking, analyze this claim for collision fraud indicators by comparing data across multiple document types. The agent immediately identifies multiple high-risk indicators across the claim documents, with the highest risk clearly visible in the chart. The damage description shows red flags. Let's investigate. Show comprehensive damage exaggeration analysis for this claim. The agent has detected potential damage exaggeration, particularly an engine mount replacement that's inconsistent with the reported side impact collision. With these damage inconsistencies identified, let's follow the money trail. Analyze financial discrepancies for this claim. Looking at this visualization, the claimed damage amount is noticeably higher than both the insurance approved amount and the actual repair cost. The agent flags this initial claim inflation pattern as a high-risk indicator that warrants further investigation. What you've seen highlights the power of Sema4.ai document processing. This end-to-end workflow transforms documents through multiple stages, from initial parsing and structured extraction to specialized analysis views. The semantic model layer enables natural language queries with SQL-backed precision, delivering business insights that traditional data processing solutions simply cannot match.